Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the specific volume of water. Pressure is 5 MPa, temperature is 120 degrees Celsius. We want to find it for the incompressible liquid, so we're going to use the compressed liquid table, and then we're going to use the saturated liquid table to compare. Alright, so we can skip step 1 because there is no free body diagram. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So step 3, we're going to find the specific volume. We're going to go to the compressed liquid property table for water. It's a rare occasion that we actually get to use a compressed liquid table. Generally there is none. Okay, so we're going to use 5 MPa and 120 degrees Celsius. We line them up, we'll find the specific volume. That'll be 0.001056 meters cubed per kilogram. Now we're going to find the approximation. So we're going to use 120 degrees Celsius. So go to your temperature table. So that will be your saturated water property table. And then we're going to use the specific volume for fluid or saturated liquid, which is VF. So we'll get 0.001060. So as you can see, the difference is 0.000024. So with that difference in mind, it is, I guess, mathematically negligible. So if you have the option to have the compressed liquid table versus the saturated liquid approximation, always use the compressed liquid, of course. However, as you can see, the difference is negligible, so it's okay to use the approximation. If you're gonna need an accurate reading, then use the compressed table. And if you're gonna do this in real life, you got software to confirm the accuracy. So normally you wouldn't use tables, you would just use your software to figure out. Alright, so disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button and Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.